are going to celebrate National Science Day, because we know that one National Science Day when we used to celebrate, because National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February. Okay, each year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian physician Sir C.V. Raman. Wait, I will show my slide now. Who's Sir C.V. Raman?
Jai Gurudev and good morning, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am.
Please mute yourself. Jagati, mute yourself. Okay. So, National Science Day is the Sir C.V. Raman. Okay, children, we are honor them. So, every year on February 28th, we used to celebrate National Science Day. Because this year, when will be the February 28th? Coming Sunday, isn't it? So, that's the reason that we are celebrating today. Why we are celebrating this National Science Day? Do you know any idea about that? You don't know, isn't it?
Ma'am, your voice is slow, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, your voice is clear, ma'am.
clear now?
No, ma'am, your voice is
Am
not
I clear now?
Ma'am,
Children,
you
am I
are clear, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Thank you now.
You are clear, ma'am.
Yes, he found Raman effect. What is it, Raman effect? Yes, come to know that one. He discovered that when light passes through a transparent what? Material, some of the deflected light changes in wavelength. This phenomenon is now called Raman scattering. So that is found by him only. What happened? At the time, scientists believed that sea was blue. Sea was blue only, isn't it? If I ask you what is the color of sea, you used to say that is blue because it reflected the color of the sky, like that everyone believed. But Raman found that it was the water itself that cast blue light to scatter more than other colors in light. So the discovery created a sensation around the world, was named the Raman effect, that scattering of light. Who discovered? Raman only. When it has been found? 18? Anyone? When we started to do this one? In 1986. National Council of Science, Technology, Communication asked the government of India to designate 28th February as National Science Day. Okay, children, when we started to celebrate, National Science Day was celebrated on February 28, 1987 onwards, that we are celebrating National Science Day. So, today we are going to celebrate that. Okay, children. Shall we start with, okay, who's ready with your what performance experiment? Who's ready now? Sudarshini, are you ready?
Ma'am, can I tell this speech? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sudarshini, get ready. First, we'll talk with one speech about what planet you're going to talk, Guru Prasad.
Jupiter.
Okay, Jupiter.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Kailash
wait.
Uranus, ma'am.
Please, children, please don't unmute anyone. Please, if I ask Guru Prasad Talon, do that now. Okay, Guru Prasad. Okay, so who's that? Sudarshini Sri.
Jai Guru.
Wait, Kana. Sudarshini Sri.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
get ready. After Guru Prasad, you have to begin there.
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
Guru Prasad, please mute yourself, unmute yourself. Okay, Kana. Guru
Jai
Prasad.
Gurudev.
Yes,
Jai
ready.
Gurudev. Good morning to all. My name is V. Guru Prasad. I am studying third C. I am going to tell about Jupiter. Jupiter is the
Wait, Guru
largest.
Prasad. Guru Prasad, be slow.
Ma'am,
Be slow.
Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth planet. It is the fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in the sky visible to the naked eye. Jupiter rotates once every 9 hours 55 minutes and it has shortest day of all the planets in the solar system. Jupiter's interior is made of rock, metal and hydrogen compounds. Thank you.
Very good, Guru Prasad. Please, children, keep applause now. Everyone. Good, 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 good. Good. Good, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Okay, mute Kanna. Mute Guru. Very good. Silent clap. Very good, Ridushna. Sir, I would like to. Magashweta, please mute yourself. If I call your name only, you have to unmute and give your performance day. Okay, Sudashni Sri, please get ready with yours. Sudashni, please come soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes. Start, ma. Okay, children, please.
History studies the standard section at Maharishi Vidya Mandir Mangada. Now I am going to explain a science project. Refraction of light. Materials needed. Water, glass,
Sudashni, yours is not clear. Yes, children, please, you have to mute yourself. Then only it is easy for her to perform well.
marker,
Yes, children, I will give you. Wait, can I'm seeing each and every one. I'll call you there.
paper.
Okay, Sudashni dear. Sudashni, please. Sudashni, I think so you have some net issue there. Please, Sudashni.
Thank you, Jay.
Okay, Sudashni, because we can't get anything. Okay, no issues. I will show the record later on there. Okay, mute yourself, Sudashni. Okay, children, next. Mitra, I call you there. Wait. Sanmita. Sudashni, please mute yourself, Kana. Mute yourself, Sudash. Yes, Sanmita, get. Yes, start now. Sanmita.
Planet from the sun and the second smaller planet. Hello.
Sanmita, please continue. Continue. We are hearing. Continue.
Mars has two moons which have small and regular shape. Mars can easily see from Earth with naked eye. Scientists from around the world to know the possibilities for human living in the Mars. Recently, NASA sent land rover named Perseverance to bring back test samples from Mars. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sandeep. Good, sir. Good. Okay. Very good. Please, children, can you show your silent clap, please? Children, please show that one Ridusha is giving day. Very good. Okay, the next one. Pranavi. Okay, Pranavi. Get ready, Pranavi. Pranavi. Okay, Kailash, I'll call you. I'll call you. Pranavi. After Pranavi, Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Get ready.
Ma'am Pranavi.
Yes, Pranavi.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, and is the only planet named after a female. Venus may have been named after the most beautiful deity of the pantheon because it shone the brightest among the five planets known to ancient astronomers. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very good, yeah. Pranavi, good. Yes, Chandan, get ready. Okay, next one. Mitra.
Ma'am.
Yes, Tanvi. Come soon. Mitra Vinda, please come soon now.
Jai Gurudev.
Next, Charan, get ready.
Ma'am Mitra ma'am.
Yes, Mitra. Yeah.
Jai Gurudev. My name is Mitra Vinda of 3D. Today I am going to tell a speech on Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth planet from the Sun. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Jupiter has 67 moons. You can see Jupiter with your own eyes. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Please,
Thank you.
children, show your silent clap now. Good, 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 good. Very good. Charan, get ready now. Charan, come soon now. Very good, Charan. Please, Charan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Unmuted.
Yes, tell me now.
Pluto is not a planet. It is a cold planet. It is the ninth planet of the solar system. It is in the Kuiper belt. Thank you.
Very good. Very good, Charan. Very good. Very good. Next one. Today.
Yeah, thumbs those.
Kailash. Kailash. Kailash.
Yes, ma'am. Janvi, ma'am.
Yes, Janvi, I'll call you. Kailash, get ready. Please unmute yourself now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kailash. Start now.
My name is Vicky Kailash from 3C. I am going to tell about favorite planets of the solar system. Uranus, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Uranus is the seventh planet of the from the sun. Uranus is the gas giant. Uranus is the different spins. It spins differently. Spins on its side. Yeah, it's extremely cold. It's cold planet and hence being called ice giant. It is with 7 moons. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Kailash. Good, Kailash. Good. Excellent now. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, Janvi, ma'am.
Girish. Janvi, next you have to get ready after Girish, okay? Girish.
Yes, ma'am.
Girish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Girish. What's your favorite planet? What's your favorite planet?
Yes. Yes,
Mars.
ma'am.
Pranavi, mute yourself. Pranavi,
Jai
mute yourself.
Gurudev.
Girish, unmute your video. Unmute your video. Janvi, please mute yourself. I'm getting distracted. Janvi, mute yourself. Janvi, are you hearing? Yes, mute yourself. Mute day. You, Girish, start करना.
Jai Gurudev. My name is Girish Sogunda from Jersey. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. Being largest only Mercury in English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the red planet.
Very good, Girish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, Girish, why that we are celebrating National Science Day? Girish,
Yes, ma'am.
why we are celebrating National Science Day? To who honor? To whom that we are? Yes, come.
Raman.
Yes, we are celebrating because Mummy is giving answers there. I think so, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yes. Why can't you hear now? Because we are celebrating because Sastri Raman, he found what he found. What he found.
Science.
Yes. But what is his experiment?
Light. Light.
Raman effect. Okay. That's the reason that we are celebrating on 28th of. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
28th of February.
February.
Yes, Girish. Good. Mute kala. Mute yourself now. Okay, Janvi, ready now? Janvi,
Thank
ready?
you, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Kala.
ma'am.
Yes.
Jai Gurudev. Today I am going to tell about Venus. A
Yes.
surface temperature on Venus can reach 471 Celsius a day on Venus, longer than Earth. Venus rotates to the opposite side direction to most the other planets. Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky. Atmosphere is pressures on Venus is 92 times greater than the Earth.
Yes.
Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
Very good. Very good, Janvi. Do you know that one? Venus is the planet next to
I'm Shivapriya, ma'am.
Mercury. Yes, isn't it? So it is the brightest planet in the solar system. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. Good. Good, Janvi. Okay, children, you have to show your silent clap for Janvi now. Everyone. Show now. Very good. Good, good children. Good children. Okay, next. Okay, Charmita. Charmita. Charmita, come soon now. Charmita.
Ma'am.
After Charmita, Meenaja, get ready. Then Sivapriya.
Ma'am, next I will tell ma'am.
Yes, Pratiksha, I'll give you the chance now. Charmita, please come soon now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Charmita.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, Charmita.
and today I am going to talk about Earth.
Yes. So what is
Earth,
your
ma'am.
favorite planet? Earth. Globe.
Earth, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Earth.
Our
Good.
beautiful planet Earth is different from all other planets. The Earth is third planet of the solar system. The Earth is the third planet of the solar system. The presence of sunlight, air, water helps us to survive in Earth. The Earth is in spherical shape. The Earth is also called as a blue planet.
Good.
The moon is the natural satellite of the Earth.
Very good.
Natural satellite of the Earth. Earth rotates on its own axis and revolves around the sun. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 days and 1/4 days to complete one revolution.
Exactly.
One revolution. One revolution.
So rotation as
One
well as
revolution.
in the
Revolution causes.
very good.
Revolution causes.
Hmm.
Rotation
Revolution
causes day and night.
Very
Revolution
good.
causes seasons.
Very good. How many seasons are
Earth
there?
is a wonderful planet. Save Earth, save life. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Charmita. Excellent. Excellent. Show your silent clap, children. Good, 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 Charmita. Gallery. Yes, ma. Yes, Meenaja.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Venus. Venus is the second planet of solar system. Venus is the slowest rotating
Wait,
planet.
Meenaja, please unmute yourself. Unmute your video. Yes. Yes, ma. Unmute yourself.
Venus is the second planet of solar system. Venus is the slowest rotating planet. Earth is 24 hours long, but Venus is 6,552 hours long. Venus is the smallest planet. Venus is the second brightest planet in the night sky.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Good. Please
Ma'am,
children,
Shivapriya, ma'am.
show your silent clap. Everyone. Good one, Lino, but she has given more information about. Get ready, Shivapriya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Come.
Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of the sky. Discovered 13 March 1781. We can't live in Uranus because there is no water. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. It contains ices. Uranus has 27 moons. The season on Uranus lasts on long day 42 years. Uranus was the first planet discovered in the modern age. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest
Uranus is
planetary
the
mass.
third. Uranus is the. Tell me, ma, something you said now. Third or seventh planet.
Third largest planetary radius.
Oh, third. Okay, okay. Largest. Okay, Kana.
It has third planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system.
Good. That's all.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Shivapriya. Good. Very good. Very good, Shivapriya.
Ma'am,
Please
can I?
show your silent clap, children. It is very One more thing, Uranus is very cold, isn't it? Because it is too far away from the sun.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? I'm Sarveshwar, ma'am. Ma'am, next Pradiksha, ma'am.
Children, am I audible for you now?
Yes, ma'am.
You're
Audible, ma'am.
Audible,
ma'am.
Audible.
Okay, so Pratiksha.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Pradiksha, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Pratiksha.
can I?
Come.
Anishka. Ma'am.
Yes, after Pratiksha, Suketan and Sri, please get ready. Then I'll call you children. Pratiksha, are you going to perform or not, Pratiksha? Okay, Suketan, get ready. Come soon, Suketan. Suketan.
Audio is not.
Please, Suketan, unmute yourself. Yes, Sri. After Suketan, please ready, Kana. Suketan. Okay, Sri, please come soon, ma. Sri. Please, children, if I call your name, please get ready and yes, do your performance there. Yes. Please, children. Sri, are you ready, ma?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am? Ma'am, can I? I'm Sarveshwar, ma'am.
Yes, sir, I'll call you. I'll call you. Okay, Suketan.
Ma'am, can
Sri.
Sri, are you ready, Sri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sri. Unmute your video and please do that now.
Jai Gurudev.
Very good,
Jai
Sri.
Gurudev. I like to share few points about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Mars is sometimes called the red planet. Mars is red because of rusty iron in the ground. It does not have magnetic field. It is terrestrial planet. One day on Mars last 24.6 hours. It has thin atmosphere. Mars has two moons. Earth and Jupiter are the neighbors of Mars. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri. Good. So Mars is called the red planet, isn't it? Very good, Sri. Okay, children, show your silent clap now for Sri, everyone.
Stop.
Very good, very good, very good. Sri. I'll do for you that. Very good now. Okay, the next one. The next one, Sarveshwar. Sarveshwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Yes, fast now.
சொல்லுப்பா
Jai Gurudev, my name is Sarveshwar from Third C. Here to tell about Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is the It is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. Venus is a terrestrial planet. The rocks are of various shades of grey and appear similar to those on Earth. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
Very good. Excellent, Sarveshwar. Good. Superb.
Vidushan.
Very good, Kannan. The next,
Ma'am, Pradiksha.
Mahaswet. Pratiksha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pratiksha, come. Yes, come. Unmute your video. Mahasweta, please wait, Kanna. Take your turn. Yes, Pratiksha.
Jai Gurudev, my name is Pradiksha. I am from 3D. This is my globe. Earth is blue color. Blue give water. Green give land. Sun is give light earth. Moon also give light earth. The earth is third planet. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, Pratiksha.
This is my globe, ma'am.
Nice flow. Nice, that one. Very good. Superb, Kanna. Okay, the next one. Arul Sai, come dear. Arul Sai, next Tejashwini, then Mahisha. Get ready. Yes, Arul Sai. Mahasweta also, yes.
Jupiter is named after Roman god Jupiter. Jupiter is fifth planet from the sun. It is largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the third brightest natural in the night sky. Jupiter has 79 known natural satellites. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Arul Sai. Very good. Excellent now. Good. Superb now. Superb. Very good. The next. Who's the next one I said?
Tejashwini, ma'am.
Magisha, then Tejashwini. Is Magisha, come soon, Magisha. Followed by Tejashwini. Get ready, Tejashwini.
Yes, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Going to tell about Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is a terrestrial planet. It is a small and rocky. Venus has a thick atmosphere. Venus is a bit closer to the sun, so it is a bit warmer. So there is slightly more in the atmosphere than is Earth atmosphere. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Magisha. Very good, Magisha. Why can't you show your face?
I forgot that.
Okay, no issues. Mute yourself, Magisha. Good, mute yourself. Okay, the next one.
Sayed.
Ma'am, Mokita, ma'am. Ma'am, Tejashwini.
Tejashwini, yeah. Good, come. Tejashwini.
My name is Tejaswini. I am studying the standard D section. I am going to tell about Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is the least dense planet in solar system. Saturn is dense solid core. The large gaseous outer layer of the planet makes its average density 687 kilometer per meter. Saturn is lighter than water.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Tejaswini. Very good. Super.
Thank you,
Given
ma'am.
lots of next one. Mahasweta.
Ma'am.
Mahasweta. Sukhitan, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll call you Sukhitan. After Mahasweta, please come Sundi. Pratiksha. Akshanin, Pratiksha. Mahasweta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahasweta.
Hi, my name is Mahashweta. I am studying 3D section. I am going to talk about solar system. A sun is center big star. It's not called planet. It's called big star. A solar system have 4.6 billions old. A solar system have 8 planets. The Pluto, it's not called planet. And first 4 planets are called terrestrial planets. The terrestrial planets made of rock and metals.
Very good. That means first 4 planets are used to call as inner planets. Very good, Mahasweta.
Last planets are called 4 last planets are called gas giant. Other than planets, gas giant big because in gas giant fully gas. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mahasweta. Really good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Too good. Too good. Very good. Very good. Clap for that. Please, you can do your performance. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, Mokita, ma'am.
Okay, Mokita. Come soon, Mokita. Sukhitan. Get ready. After Mokita, please do your performance. Yes, Mokita. Yes, Mokita.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and second smallest planet in the solar system. It is called as red planet because of its red Mars planet is terrestrial planet with thin atmosphere, moon, valley, deserts.
Very good.
Due to
Mokita.
of
Mokita, Mummy is giving more information, but you're not doing. Isn't it? Oh, good. Very good, Mokita. Okay, the next. Sukhitan.
Ma'am, Suhan.
Sukhitan. Yes, Sukhitan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sukhitan, tell me. What is your favorite planet?
Venus, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me about that.
Venus is the second biggest planet in our.
Sukhitan, please unmute your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, continue.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing, ma'am.
Venus
Yes,
is the second planet from the Sun. It lies structure to Earth. Venus has been called Earth's twin. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. Even Mercury is near to the Sun. Venus looks like a very active planet. It has mountains and volcanoes. Thank you.
thank you, dear. Thank you. Okay, children. The chance will be continue next class. Before that, I'm going to ask you quiz. Shall we continue with that? Okay, Sukita, mute yourself now. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sukita. Okay. Okay, children, please place your answers in the chat box. Okay. Get ready with your answers now. Science quiz now. This essential gas is important so that we can breathe. What is the answer?
Oxygen,
Very good. Oxygen. Good.
ma'am.
Very good. Oxygen. Very good.
Oxygen, ma'am.
Okay, the next one. What is the nearest planet to the sun? Most of you have given the answer there.
Oxygen, ma'am. Mercury, ma'am.
Very
Mercury.
good.
Mercury, ma'am.
Mercury.
Very good. I'm seeing your answers. Most of you are giving the correct answers. Very good. Mercury. How many things does an atom?
ma'am.
Very good. 32.
32.
Children, place your answers in the chat box. Please place your answers in the chat box.
32, ma'am.
Understood that one, Pranavi? Please place your answers in the chat box. What is the largest planet in the solar system?
Jupiter, ma'am.
Is it Earth?
Jupiter, ma'am.
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Very good. Okay. What do bees collect and use to create honey? We already learned in a where animals around us.
Nectar.
Very good. What is that?
Nectar.
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 Nectar, ma'am.
Very good.
Nectar, ma'am.
Nectar, ma'am.
What do bees collect to use?
Ma'am,
Create honey. Nectar.
I'm
Children,
nectar.
what is the hottest planet in the solar system?
Mercury and Venus. Mercury.
Hottest planet.
Mercury.
Venus. Very good, Shubhashri. Venus.
Venus.
Ma'am, Venus. Venus. Ma'am, Venus.
Venus. Very good.
Ma'am, Venus.
Okay, Venus only. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Please come to the next question now. Pranavi, please mute yourself and get the question here. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis?
Leaves, ma'am.
Very good. What part of the plant?
Leaves, ma'am.
Leaves. Very good, Bhagati.
Leaves, ma'am. Leaves,
Frog is a reptile or amphibian?
Leaves, ma'am. Frog.
Frog is a reptile or amphibian? Amphibian. Both.
Amphibian.
amphibian.
Amphibian, ma'am.
Adopt. Yes, that is called amphibian. Okay.
Amphibian.
Next one. The plant Earth is surrounded by different layers of gas. Very good. Atmosphere.
Atmosphere, ma'am.
Which, when taken together, we call the atmosphere. Very good. Animals that eat both
Omnivorous, ma'am.
plants and meat are called
Omnivorous. Omnivorous.
omnivorous.
Omnivorous.
Future scientists are
Omnivorous, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, children, how many hearts does an octopus have? How many hearts does an octopus have?
Three, ma'am.
Three. Very Pranavi,
Three,
please
ma'am.
mute yourself. Two.
Three hearts, ma'am.
Tell me this true or false. Male seahorses give birth to their young ones.
No, ma'am.
No,
False.
the females. Which one is the correct one? Male seahorse or female one? Which one is the correct one? True. Male seahorse only give birth to young one. Okay, children, that is the true, not the false one. True. Okay. What part of the body helps you move?
Muscles.
Muscles.
Very good. Muscles.
Muscles, ma'am.
Very good. So the which part of
Muscles,
the
ma'am.
body helps us
Muscles.
to move? Very good, children. Really, that you have given very good
Muscles.
answers.
Muscles, ma'am.
Very good. That means it shows that what you are showing intelligence.
And
Very good.
muscles, ma'am.
Yes, ma, muscles. Correct only, Mitra, Vinda, Pranali, then Sanjana. Some of you, yes. So you followed that one. It will be continue next class also. Please, children, keep on do that one. We also be as a CV Raman, isn't it?